So Chelsea may go for Mohamed Kudus. Guys, discussion are happening underground in Chelsea camp to see if Chelsea can go for Mohamed Kudus. And that would be lovely. That would be madly. I keep on saying this. See, we need Kudus. We need Kudus. We need all-round attacker to come and help Cole Palmer. And Kudus is someone who can also play as false nine, the wing position in case Madueke, Joao Pedro, Gittens is not available or any of these players are tired. Players like Kudus are available. They are there to take on. Here we go, guys. Chelsea agree to pay in excess of 55 million for Joao Pedro. Chelsea agree to sign Joao Pedro. And Joao Pedro agreed to join Chelsea. Yes, guys. And he signed 7 years contract till 2032. Yes. And as we are speaking now, Joao Pedro is on the air, flying from Brazil to United States to do his medicals. And from Fabrizio, on Monday, Joao Pedro and Jamie Gittens' paperwork will finalize. Chelsea will conclude their paperwork and announce them official. But as I said, Joao Pedro is on the air, flying from Brazil to United States. Yes, to do his medicals, guys. And even Chelsea can still register him. Yes, it is possible. Till 3rd July or 4th July, Chelsea can still register any player. So, Jamie Gittens and Joao Pedro playing for Chelsea is possible. Especially maybe if Chelsea advance more in the Club World Cup. Them playing for Chelsea is possible. So, guys, Chelsea signed Joao Pedro. Chelsea signed Jamie Gittens. Now, we are waiting for the official paperwork to be done so that Chelsea can announce them official. Chelsea pay in excess of 55 million for Joao Pedro and 50 million and 55 million also for Jamie Gittens. Yes. So, guys, these are the wingers Chelsea signed. Yes. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Do you like these signings, guys? Because it looks like some fans are having problem with this signing. Let me hear from you. Yes, your opinion, your thought about these signings. But they are young. Jamie Gittens is 20 years of age and Joao Pedro is 23 years of age. Yes. And Joao Pedro is Brazilian from Fluminense Academy and Watford signed him. Yes, he spent 4 seasons in Watford and then 2023 season he moved to Brighton. So Brighton, he spent 2 seasons there. 2023, 2024, 2024 to 2025 season until Chelsea signed him recently. Jamie Gittens, he is England international. He started his football career in Manchester City Academy. Yes, and then moved to Dortmund Academy. Then he started his Dortmund career till now. Chelsea also signed him. Jamie Gittens is England international, 20 years of age. And all these players, as I said, they are young, but they have the potential to become one of the best players, yes, in the future. So, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about this signing. And what I even like about this signing, guys, Chelsea earned something like 50 million to 55 million in this Club World Cup. Yes, and Chelsea will even earn more if we progress, if we beat Palmeiras. So, if we progress, beat Palmeiras, the money that Chelsea will earn, it can even use to pay for Jamie Gittens, Joao Pedro, and Liam Delaphi. I'm telling you. So, as we are speaking, Chelsea earns something like 50 to 55 million. So, that is good. It is going to help Chelsea PSR. It is going to help our spending. We can even spend more and spend more. So, guys, it means that Chelsea is spending based on what is coming. Yes, the money coming in the Club World Cup. And information came that Chelsea may go for another attacker. Yes, Chelsea still weighing up to see if they can sign Mohamed Kudus or Eketeke. Yes, or another winger. And that it will come down to Nicola Jackson leaving or Madueke leaving. Chelsea want to do a replacement in this case. So, Madueke, Arsenal is interested on him. Arsenal have him on their list, the same as Newcastle. Newcastle also have Madueke on their list. And for Nicola Jackson, initially Napoli came and Juventus also came showing interest. So, during the course of the transfer window, during the course of the summer, guys, we shall see if anything happen. I will update you again on this channel. So please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. So Chelsea may go for Mohamed Kudus. Guys, discussion are happening underground in Chelsea camp to see if Chelsea can go for Mohamed Kudus. And that would be lovely. That would be madly. I keep on saying this. See, we need Kudus. We need Kudus. We need all-round attacker to come and help Cole Palmer. And Kudus is someone who can also play as false nine, the wing position in case Madueke, Joao Pedro, Gittens is not available or any of these players are tired. Players like Kudus are available. They are there to take on. And Kudus, apart from Cole Palmer, even looking at the current signings or looking at the current wingers we have in Chelsea, apart from Cole Palmer and Neto, I can compare to Kudus. Even Kudus had the experience more than Jamie Gittens and Joao Pedro. They are our players. I respect them. But to be honest, footballing wise, football have standard. Kudus is that experienced player when we come to the UEFA Champions League and when we come to the Premier League. The guy is good, brilliant, skillful, dribbler. So indeed, it will be a good move for Chelsea to go for Mohamed Kudus. So guys, information came that Chelsea may go for Mohamed Kudus or Eketeke. Yes, and for Eketeke, it will come down to Jackson. Yes, so now, Charlie, Jackson is shaking. Jackson's career is shaking in Chelsea. See, if Chelsea sign, let me say, at least 2 or more attackers, I am seeing Chelsea accepting any good buy that will come for Nicola Jackson. The same as Madueke. But for me, this selling, I would like Chelsea to keep them. If not, the pressure from the PSR rule. For our current wingers, George and Co, I would like Chelsea to keep them so that we can see when the season begins to January or till January, we can see what will happen. Yes, even Nkunku. For me, I would like Chelsea to keep Nkunku also. Recently, Nkunku is doing it because sometimes last season, Nkunku and Jackson and Co, the reason was that they were the only attackers and the only strikers we were having. So the pressure was on them to deliver. And you know, young players, when that pressure is on them like that, sometimes they fail. Yes, especially a big club like Chelsea. So for me, I would wish if Chelsea can give them at least 6 months till January transfer window so that we can see. Because it looks like Nkunku is improving this season, guys. I'm telling you. It looks like we are about to see the Nkunku that we signed from RB Leipzig. So I will be happy if Chelsea can be patient with them and Nicola Jackson so that we can see till January. If things are not working, then we can decide to ship some of them off. Even Madueke, I will not sell Madueke because next season more competition are coming tough. Because imagine you are playing in the Premier League, in the midweek you are playing Champions League, and we know Champions League football, as you progress, it gets difficult. So it's good you have super subs so that during Premier League games, even if you bench your best players, you can still compete or you can still play that competitive football that will deserve winning. So for me, guys, I will keep this our current players. Even if just bring wingers or attackers, I will keep them till the January transfer window. By the way, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about these transfers. Joao Pedro coming to Chelsea, Jamie Gittens coming to Chelsea. Chelsea is about to sign Mohamed Kudus, and Chelsea is about to land another attacker. And Osimhen transfer is still on. Victor Yogres is still on. I'm telling you, anything can happen, guys. I'm telling you, because as I said, Chelsea still interested in discussion under to bring another attacker, another striker. So we shall see. We are waiting to see. Yes, because indeed, Charlie, we need experience. We need experience. Even information came that Chelsea is weighing up to see if they can sign a goalkeeper also. Yes, an experienced CB, a goalkeeper. In fact, Robert Sanchez, like, I don't know. It's like his malam is very, very powerful. It looks like our owners are about to forget about him. But for me, I can never forget about Robert Sanchez because I know how important for your team, if you want to compete, you must have a reliable goalkeeper. So Chelsea should not forget about that position. Yes, some days he is good, but he still maintain the same. The value is the same. Robert Sanchez we know last season or this season is the same Robert Sanchez we are having. Whether Chelsea should bring Petrovic back or even Maresca should bring competition between Jorgensen and Robert Sanchez. or go for Magnon, or go for Martinez, Aston Villa goalkeeper. See, we need a goalkeeper. If not that, we see all the signing that we are bringing: Joao Pedro, Gittens, who, Mohamed Kudus, Osimhen, Victor Yogres. If all of them come and we don't have a reliable goalkeeper, it is null and void. See, the goalkeeper is the last man standing, and every tactic starts from the goalkeeper. So if the goalkeeper, you can struggle at least and get a goal. If the goalkeeper just commit one error, they are equalizing your goal. They are equalizing your goal. You can bring all the attackers, Messi, Ronaldo, into your team. If you don't have a goalkeeper who can stop making mistakes, who can just give opponent a goal, forget. And the way sometimes mistakes goals are, when your goalkeeper commit a mistake and you concede, like as players, it will demotivate you. It will bore the players. So they can't even play. Like their motivation will be off in that game. We saw it, I think, second leg against City. Yes, the one that he came out instead of him to be on the goal post, the goal that Haaland scored, if you can remember. So see, no matter how the situation, our owners should not forget about Robert Sanchez. They must go and bring a goalkeeper and center back, experienced center back. I'm telling you, yes, recently Liverpool is improving, Tosin is improving, but still, we need experience there. Yes, someone who will come and be guiding them. We were having Rudiger, Zuma, and co. But once Thiago Silva came at that time, we saw a difference. We saw organization in our defensive line. We saw coordination. So still, guys, we need experienced center back. We need a goalkeeper. And Joao Pedro, Gittens, as I said, they are all young players, but they have the potentials, yes, to become good players. And I said it in one of my videos that sometimes players just sign and there's not much expectation on them. Sometimes when those players come to Chelsea, they normally perform. Yes, they perform. So let's hope. Now, guys, as Chelsea fans, that is what we should be doing. All the signing they are bringing, let's hope they come and perform. They don't come and flop. Liam Delap and co, Gittens, Joao Pedro, and Kudus, who they will bring. Let's hope they come and perform. That is all. We saw PSG having a young team. Dowe is not better than Madueke. Dowo is not better than NATO. It's just management and it's just form. Football is all about form. When you are on form, see, it's like juju, it's like magic. So let's hope our players come and pick it. Let's hope they give us competitive football next season. So guys, these are the signings, and if anything happen again, yes, because information said, as I said, just will bring another attacker. If anything happen again, or if any update come again, I will update you. So please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And I'll give you another video. Yes, guys, please, here's the video. Click to enjoy them. Take care. Peace.